To draw this shape, I start by drawing 3 circles. We can see their centers here. Then I'll reposition these 3 circles to form the shape I want. Next, I'll use the offset command to create these lines. And finally, I'll use the trim command to remove the extra sketch entities. So I open a sketch on the front plane and draw 3 circles here. I make these 3 circles equal in size. To apply the relations, I connect their centers with center lines to simplify adding relations. Now the triangle form just needs to be adjusted into a parallelogram, so I make the 3 center lines equal. I align this line horizontally and adjust the circle sizes to achieve the desired shape, like this. Since this is a SolidWorks practice sketch, it doesn't matter where the origin is located. Next, I offset the circles by 10 millimeters. I select all 3 circles. Here's an important note. We must first create the offset, then trim the extra entities. I press Ctrl-Z. If I trim the extra entities first, then try to offset, SolidWorks gives an error and won't offset. Even if I uncheck Select Chain, to offset just this arc and try it for other arcs. Making it very difficult to create the shape. So we must first create the offset, then trim the extra entities. The reason is that SolidWorks cannot properly offset the corners formed here. I press Ctrl-Z. I first create the offset for all 3 circles. Then I adjust the sizes and use the trim command to remove the extra entities. I hold Ctrl to select these 3 line segments and delete them. I return to the trim command and remove these sections as well. So, in this way, we complete the sketch.